Now, I don't know about you guys, but finding the right pair of shades for myself can sometimes be complicated. There's so many things into play. You got to think about style. What type of frame do you even want? You also have to think about fit, different dimensions. You got to look into the temple width, the bridge width, the lens width. Then you also have to think about functionality and find the ones that actually are going to help you. We're going to cover all of that today. So first, let's talk about style. The first thing you should ask yourself, what style am I going for? What is it that I'm looking to do with these pair of shades? Maybe you want something versatile that you can wear with anything. Then a pair of aviators is probably for you. Or do you maybe want something more trendy, something that's gonna elevate your style and give you some extra fashion points to your outfit? Then maybe something more retro inspired. These are definitely trending and it's kind of what's in right now. Are you looking for a pair for the beach? Then a pair of wafers is what you want. And finally, if you want something more elegant, more refined, more dressy, a pair of Club Masters is what you should be looking for. The point of this is to show you the wide range of styles and for you to not be overwhelmed when you go into a glass store and see all this. Go in with a goal. What is it that you're looking for? If you have no glasses whatsoever, my suggestion is start with a versatile pair. Start with the basic that you can wear with everything and then build your collection from there. Now, all the glasses that you're gonna see in this video are from Glasses USA. This is one of my favorite online retailers when it comes to frames for guys because they just have a huge selection. Like you just saw me wear. You go to their site, you're probably gonna get overwhelmed with just how many styles they have. The best part is that they also have almost every brand you can think of, from the very high-end brands like Ray-Bans to their own in-house brands that you'll see me wear in this video, which are way more affordable, but still really high quality made. So to make it easy for you guys, all the styles that you're gonna see me wear in this video, I'm gonna have linked below. You guys can check it out if you're in the market for some frames for the summer. Now, the second thing that you wanna consider once you've narrowed down the style is the actual fit, something that a lot of people don't talk about. Just like a suit, if it fits bad, it's actually gonna make you look worse. If it fits good, your handsomeness out the roof. The same can be said about glasses. If the glasses don't fit you, they're gonna make you look weird, awkward even. If they look great, then they help structure your face, actually make you look more attractive. So fit is quite simple. The first thing you wanna do is understand your face shape. You want your glasses to balance out your face. So a broad rule that you can follow or a good place to start is to buy the opposite shape of your face. So if you have an oval shape or a circle face, something that's a little bit softer and more round, then you want to buy squared frames. These tend to look way better on you. If your face is more structured, like a triangle or a square, then glasses that are more round tend to look better on you. Again, it balances out your face. Once you nail down the shape of the glass, then you have to look at the size of the glass. Again, like a well-tailored suit, it has to fit your face. And this is something that a lot of people don't cover, and it gets a little bit complicated, but it goes as follows. The first thing you want to cover is that to make sure that the glasses are actually wide enough for your head. So a way you do this is when you go online and you're shopping, or when you're shopping in person, is you want to look at the lens length and the bridge width. Glasses USA does a great job of detailing all this in the description. So they'll give you the lens length and the bridge width. You add the two lens lengths and the bridge length together, and it gives you a rough estimate of the total width of the glass. So for a good example, I already know that glasses between 125 and 130 millimeters tend to look best on me. That's the width that I need to be in to make sure the frames actually fit me. When the frames are more narrow than that, as you can see, these are significantly narrower, what happens is, I don't know if you can tell, these flare out and it makes me look awkward. And then the final size you want to look at is the temple width, which is how wide your head is sideways. So actually my head is not that wide, it's actually pretty flat. So I need a narrower temple width, the way the glasses don't stick out past my head. Here is a good example of a good temple width. It ends right here. The ends of the glasses don't go past my head or way past my ears. Now, most of my glasses actually fit really well, but here's an example of one that is starting to get a little bit too long. As you can see, it starts sticking out. That's something you don't want. And then finally, the third point that you want to look into when buying your perfect pair of shades is function. So the first and most important thing is utility factor of sunglasses. Sunglasses are meant to protect you. This is actually a health benefit. As you know, excessive exposure to UV radiation can cause cancer, burns, and other severe problems with your eyes. So when you're looking for glasses, it's always good to spend a little bit more and find frames that block at least 99% of UVB rays and 95% of UVA rays. Yes, these usually cost a little bit more, but there always will be labeled. If you see a pair of frames that just say cosmetic on them, it means that they're basically fashion glasses and they have no protection whatsoever. All right, boys, that's it for today's video. Those are the 3 things you should focus on: the style, the fit, and the function. You nail those 3, you got the perfect pair of shades for you this summer. If you guys want to check out an amazing selection of eyeglasses, I'm gonna have Glasses USA linked down below with an amazing discount code that's gonna make the glasses super